Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing the opening stages of my new drawing. The process thus far is sped up so we don't spend 2 hours here. I'm drawing a puppy. This one is for a friend of mine, and so far I have enjoyed the process. I haven't drawn a dog or pet portrait in years, so this one is a little bit challenging. Began drawing the eye using graphite and charcoal as a process had me, starting with the eye and drawing into the fur around the eye in a circular motion. To do that, I had to set base tonal values around the areas that I'm going to be preserving highlights. I used the general's layout and mechanical pencil to draw the outline and structure of the eye, and followed that with a charcoal pencil to add dark shades around the eye. Coming back to the eyeball, I used a soft brush to add a base layer of charcoal powder for softness, before using charcoal 4B and 6B pencils to shade dark values and shapes, while still preserving highlights, of course. And that depends on how dark each set of values and shapes appears on my reference. Then finally, use my brush to blend, again at a point of satisfaction, with light pressure, of course. Drawing fur, especially white fur, will give you more closure with your erasers and also have you carving out areas to be highlighted while beginning with base shading around the carved areas. Here I am using a soft brush and blending stump for base shading with Willow charcoal powder around the preserved highlights. While doing this, I still need to keep the reference in sight, looking closely, as my blending with Willow charcoal shouldn't be random as it may seem in the time-lapse video. Drawing the eye was not too difficult, but going into the fur while maintaining structural composition has been a little bit tedious. Maybe I expected everything to just come easy at the start, but that didn't go well. This is still only the beginning, and I know every mistake presents an opportunity for uniqueness. It will get better by and by as I am still enjoying the process, and so far, with every stage, with every step, I get to make adjustments, and these adjustments would make my mistakes unique. But you have to know the mistakes you made. That way, you can determine the ones to keep. The start of this drawing is already a collection of errors, as some of the lines came out to be too harsh, and my blending a bit sketchy. Knowing these mistakes would not frighten me, but only inform me to put in extra concentration and observation, looking at my reference and checking the parts that need appear blurry and parts that need appear sharp, whether with the lines or with the edges or with the shading or blending. Now I'm back to concluding the eye using graphite and charcoal pencils, brushes, and of course highlighting tools. I will be sharing the step-by-step process in real time on my Patreon when it is all finished. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please don't forget to share with your friends or anyone you feel needs to join me on this journey. I do hope you enjoyed watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.